I don't know if you can see as we head back now towards the road that takes us towards Newport, but just over there on the right there's a load of cliffs, a bit of mist, which is disappointing. Into the sunshine. I'll get a suntan again in this next couple of days, even just after yesterday. My face was starting to take on a bit of colour, so I'm going to look like a match. Take my kit off, white body, red head. And down back towards Grove. There they go. You see them now? There's the cliffs. Right, dramatic, aren't they? And they say that the sea around here, there's been leatherback turtles seen, there's dolphins, and in some of the coves there's quite a few of the seals. Now, seals are only in areas, and dolphins are only in areas if there's food. So out there right now, there's going to be dolphins giving it yee-haw, and leatherback turtles giving it flap-flap. I bloody love what I do, me. This is Grove again. You remember where we went down and up? We're now going down and up the other way. And if you remember, there was a couple of sharp bends, so just be careful, alright? Runny nose. I apologise for my runny nose. Grove. Lovely this area, isn't it? This is better than just trolling along on the A roads. Get yourself on the back roads. Oh, flies. There they go. Look at that over there. The dramatic coastline. Bloody marvellous, I love it. Oh my God, look at that. Oh! There's the Welsh coastline for you. Now if that isn't worth just coming here for this, I don't know what is. Just look at that. My God, look at that, eh? That is just simply breathtaking. And this is within, what, 20 minutes of the Salutation Inn. Isn't it gorgeous? God, I love what I do, mate. finding these places, discovering them, exploring them, showcasing them to you so that you can make a decision if you'd like to come down here. Touring on a motorbike for me, you see, isn't all about head down, arse in the air and going somewhere as fast as you can. It's just about enjoying being on your bike and discovering new places. And that is simply spectacular. The waves lapping in, clear blue skies, the rugged coastline on the southwest Wales coast. Right, let's get to Newport and then Fishguard.